Hey there, neighbors! Welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to turning your home into a smart one. In this episode, we'll be taking a quick look at the 10 best smart home devices you need this 2024. We're going for a mix of fun, wow factor, and of course, usefulness with this list. So, keep watching! First up, we have Bali, your perfect home AI companion. This cute little guy is a robot that can be your personal assistant, pet sitter, workout buddy, and more. Bali can follow you around, control your smart home devices, take photos and videos, play games, and give you security alerts depending on how your home system is set up. He's even got his own projector in case you need to take a quick video call or need his help during workouts. Next, we have the Govee Galaxy Light Projector Pro, which is a great device for streaming, partying, and sleeping, actually. This projector can create stunning, starry scenes with 8 galaxy discs and 38 color effects. You can also play music through the built-in Bluetooth speaker and sync the lights to the rhythm, making for a dazzling backdrop for your streams and the ultimate mood setter for your parties. And when it's time to wind down, you can go on full relaxation mode with 37 different types of white noise. Now, if you're an audiophile, you'll love the Sonos Move 2, a portable speaker that delivers really high-quality sound wherever you go. The Sonos Move 2 has 2 tweeters and a woofer that produce crisp and powerful stereo sound para buong-buo ang bass nito. It also has a 24-hour battery life, it's water and drop resistant, and it also works on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It also adapts to any environment with automatic True Play tuning, giving you the very best quality sound anywhere and everywhere. If you're a big gamer, the Viewfinity monitor by Samsung is a must-have. The wide, curved display fully immerses you in the game while delivering crystal clear 4K visuals. The size of this monitor also makes it really handy for creatives, as it gives you a more panoramic view of your work. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or doing office tasks, the Viewfinity monitor will help you see every single pixel you're working on. Moving on to smart security. The Philips Hue Secure is a smart floodlight camera that can help you keep an eye on your home. The Philips Hue Secure has a 1080p HD camera with night vision, a motion sensor, a loud alarm, and a 2-way talk feature. You can also control the light color and brightness, set schedules and scenes, and view live and recorded footage on the Philips Hue app. Speaking of security, another really exciting smart device this year is the unique Smart Lock by Lockly, which lets you use facial recognition to unlock your door. It's got other unlocking methods such as a PIN code, a physical key, a key card, and a fingerprint scanner, so you can choose exactly how you want to secure your home. The unique Smart Lock also has Wi-Fi connection, a smart app, and its own alarm. Now it's time for entertainment. The LG Wireless Transparent TV is a revolutionary device that combines transparent 4K OLED screen with wireless video and audio transmission technology. This TV can blend in with your environment when turned off or display gorgeous 4K visuals when turned on. You can also use it as a digital canvas, a smart assistant, or a part of your smart home system. And because it's transparent, ang lakas ng Iron Man vibes when you can use it. For our next device on this list, let's look at something connected to health and wellness naman. The Withings Beam O is a device that can give you a complete checkup right at home. It can measure your body temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen level, and heartbeat patterns. Yup, it's an ECG right in your home. It can also store and share your health data, send medication reminders, log your symptoms, and more so that it's easier for your doctor and your family to get involved with your personal health. If you want to save energy and money, the Shelly PM Mini can be a huge help. It's a smart power meter that can measure the power consumption of your appliances and devices. It can also automate your lights or electrical appliances, set schedules, and control these devices remotely. With the right strategy, you can save some serious cash on your power bills by using less power, which is also really great for the environment as well. Finally, every smart home should be a clean one. And the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra is a device that does the job exactly as you need it. This smart robot vacuum and mop can clean your floors with zero effort on your end. It has a corner-to-edge cleaning technology, a powerful suction, a mopping system, and a dirt detection feature. It also has a facial recognition feature, a voice assistant, and a smart docking station. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra is a device that can definitely make your floors shine. And that's it for my personal picks of the 10 best smart home devices coming in 2024. Did I miss anything? Let us know in the comments down below what devices you're excited for this year. Catch an all-new episode of Next Upgrade next Sunday. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified as soon as it goes live. See you, neighbors!